Good afternoon, everyone. Um, Let us acknowledge the presence of our back chairperson, Engineer Abraham M. Aquino, present. Our technical working group, headed by Engineer Leo Dalbuntas, present. Members, our back secretariat, headed by Engineer Teresita Marquez, present. Members, yours truly, and also we would like to recognize our interested leaders from City West Construction. Ma'am Mitch Reyes, present. Sir Francisco, then Jewel Hasim. Then we have observer from the NACAP, Ms. Rowena Sonato. Then from Teddy Construction, Ms. Sheila Aguiar. So also we would like to acknowledge Engineer Gregorio Ann. Then Architect Jomar. Okay. Based on our attendance today, this meeting is in quorum. Hence, Mr. Chair, you may now call this meeting to order.
Good afternoon. The subject of this notice of pre-bid conference. Today there are only one project for pre-bid conference today. So I would like to know from the, let's say the one who will undertake this hindi sa kumuha dito. If you have any questions or any issue you want to raise up in this, you can start asking. And then the project is about construction of multipurpose building in National Barangay Kalangkalang, Zamboanga City. With contract ID number 2438074. With amount budget for the contract is 19.8 million. With contract durations of 260 calendar days. So you may ask whatever you really want to ask regarding this project. Any issue, any concern about this project? No other relevant question to be asked? How about the requirement? I think from the material, alam nyo na siguro o ano ba?
I just would like to emphasize mga personnels diaton for the signatories, material engineers, project engineers, they're within the area lang sila para palitan nila ng mga in person.
Another requirements support sa kapilin na impact. So, if ever, nakiyaman siguro yung congested. take courtesy. Just comply whatever is stipulated on the plans and specifications of the contract. Para na kita problema. Kasi in the end, manahatan suffer because of this. Hindi kami pwede niya kung kasa rin manahada requirements sa PD. Sorry ako na po sa ask. So, we appeal, you can take courtesy. Just follow whatever is stipulated on the plans and specifications of the project. Kailangan yung kapatid. So no other question about the plans or whatever. I say this question.
Good afternoon, everyone. Ang project pala natin, Ma'am Sir, located inside the Talon-Talon National High School. And then po, yung kung saan nilalagay yung project natin, may matatamaan na existing yung Rizal statue tsaka yung flagpole. So included naman na sa program po yung relocation ng affected structures. Tsaka yung portion po ng canteen existing nila. So included naman din po. So yan lang.
That is really the